Hello and welcome to Onsite Setup session. Today we are going to understand how we can do the setup for the Onsite application. First, go to web.onsiteteams.com and log in from your super admin number. Select login via OTP. Enter the OTP. Now go to settings. First, you have to fill in all the company details, company name, phone number, company primary address, PAN, GST, and click on save. You can also upload your company logo, signature, and stamp from here. Now we can go to library. So this is your central library. First is material library. Here you have to enter all the materials that has been consumed in your company. So you can go to add material, add material name, units, GST. Also you can create a category. I have already created a few. If there's any HSN code or other specifications you want to mention, add here and click on save. So here you can see I have added the material. Similarly, you can add a few materials from yourself. Also, if you have more than 100 or 200 materials, do share us with the list. I will share you the upload format and share in the same format. We will upload it from the backend. Now we can proceed to the party library. So this is your kind of address book. So whomsoever works in your company who have transactions with you, like your staff members, client, vendor, labor contractor, everybody should be added here. Okay, go to add party, add the party name. Let's suppose Rakesh, add his phone number. Okay, select the party type. If he's your staff, client, worker, investor, labor contractor, material supplier, equipment supplier, subcontractor, or other vendor. Okay, so in this case, I'm selecting staff and clicking on save. So like this, you have to add all your party members in this sheet. Okay, now we can proceed back to the settings and add roles and access. Okay, add your team member. This is the list, party library list. This will appear here. Select the role. So similar to this, you can add all your team members and assign them the pre-assigned, predefined roles. Okay. Now you have to create a practice project. Go to new project. Add the project name. In this case, we can write demo or maybe training project. Continue. Add the address and city and continue. You can add your teammates in this project. And now you can finish. Okay, so this is your project dashboard. Similarly, you can create some of your live projects as well with the same process. Go to new project, add your live project name and continue. You can add your team members and select finish. Okay, so once you complete all the settings, feel free to reach out to you for your onboarding session. Thank you so much.